How to customize the keyboard custom symbols on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. After that, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. And then here we scroll down and tap on custom symbols. Then in here you can choose which symbol to use. So let's say if I want to replace this symbol, the ampersand symbol, I can replace it with the multiplication, the at symbol. If you don't use that at all, you can replace it with another symbol. So here, select a symbol that you want to replace, and you can go to the next page as well. So we've got two pages, the first one and the second page. So here I can change it with a heart, a square, a circle, or the pound key. So that's up to you. You can select how you want it. And if you mess it up and you want to go back to the default, you can tap on the reset button there at the top as well. Here, and then tap on the back key to save the changes. Now you can see if I touch and hold on this period key, that will bring up the custom symbols dialog, and from here you can insert that, the heart or the square or whatever you have set in your custom symbols box. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.